What is up, y'all? This is your host, Jolie. Today I am going to show you Taiwan's top 5 indigenous cuisines. Did you notice the different view behind me? Wait for it. Ta-da! Am I pretty yet? I am wearing Taiwan indigenous people's traditional outfit. I love how it tinkles. Ooh, I'm like a tinkle, tinkle, little star. Now I am going to take you on an indigenous food tour. Come dine with me. I heard that the dish we're about to have is only available in the village. Ooh, do you think this is deer? Let's go talk to the expert. Number 2, Shanqiang meat. So what kind of meat is this?
哦，这个肉是山羌肉，山羌肉是白天都可以看得到，它会有时候会来闻到那个烟，我们起火的烟，它闻了以后呢，我们有其实旁边都有管陷阱，那就打到了，早上就去看，就打到一只。
那我们就是把它先切片，然后呢再给它腌，吃辣的他们就换辣。
怎么样去处理？就是说，那时候我们喜欢煮汤，上有野菜嘛，然后再配这个炙葱，配那个什么山胡椒，还有生姜，这个3种，哇，真的是它的汤很好喝。
I've never had Shanqiang meat before. I thought it was gonna taste like lamb, but it's actually a combination of pork and chicken. Pretty chewy. Not gonna lie, I was super scared at first because they're so cute, but YOLO. My belly needs this yummy baby.
Eight points and later